Welcome back to my channel Maya Ki Pathshala Pura Gyan. In this video we're going to know about adjective degree of comparison. Okay, so let's see how we can comparison with the degree of adjective. So first we have to know, we already know that what is adjective. So adjectives are the quality of noun and pronoun. Okay, and we also learned their types in the previous video as well. So let's read from here. You must have noticed that adjective change from tall to taller to tallest. To show comparison, they are called degree of comparison. There are three degree of comparison: position wise, comparative degree, and superlative. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, so what is positive degree? It expresses a quality of a person or thing. No comparison is made. Okay, so only we are just telling a quality of any person or thing. Like he is a good boy. So there is no comparison. It's just a positive degree. When it comes to comparison, so when comparison is made between two people or thing, it indicates higher degree of quality that the positive degree. Now we are comparing two person, like Sakshi look more beautiful than Reena. So in the comparison between Sakshi and Reena about the beauty, he is more intelligent than his brother. So here we are comparing two person with each other. So it is a comparative degree. Now superlative degree. When comparison made among three or more people or thing, it indicates the highest degree of quality. Like Gagan is the tallest boy in the class. So this Gagan is tallest among his all the classroom or classmates. Okay, in the classroom or classmate. Again, the second option, Shalini is the most beautiful girl in the class. So Shalini among her classmates, she's the most beautiful. Okay, so she is the one. Formation of comparative and superlative adjective. Generally, rule number 1, generally we add ER to the positive degree to make it comparative degree and EST to make it superlative degree. Let's see some of the example like slow. We add ER, it become comparative degree. Slow, slower. If we add EST, so it become superlative. Now let's see other examples. Low, lower, lowest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Soft, softer, softest. Young, younger, youngest. Now rule number 2. If the positive degree ends in E, means the last alphabet, this is the vowel. So we use R to form its comparative degree and ST to form its superlative degree. Let's see the example. Brave, braver, bravest, because it's end with E. Close, closer, closest. Large, larger, largest. Wide, wider, widest. Safe, safer, safest. Noble, nobler, noblest. And rule number 3 is, if the position degree ends in Y, change the Y to I and then add ER and EST. So basically, we are telling lovely ends with Y. We cut Y from here and we add IER. Then we add EST, like lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Busy, busier, busiest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. And then rule number 4, if the positive degree ends in Y and there is a vowel before it, and add ER and EST to form its comparative degree and superlative degree respectively. Like Y ends with Y. So same like here, Y. So we add I or ER, EST. Here it's the positive degree ends with Y and we are adding ER and EST, like gray, grayer, grayest. Because it's positive degree, so we are adding ER and EST. shy, shyer, shyest, gay, gayer, gayest. Okay, so the last rule of no, we have two more, 7. So this rule says if positive adjective end with consonant with a vowel before it, double the last letter of positive degree before adding er or est. Let's see how. Hot, so here vowel and here consonant. So we add double consonant here. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Okay, then the last, second last. There are some adjective of more than 2 syllable. Use more to form comparative degree and most to form superlative degree, like active, more active, most active, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, focus, more focus, most focus, likewise. Okay, the last is there are some adjectives that have irregular comparative and superlative patterns, like bad, worse, worst, good, better, best, many, more, most, much, more, most, little, less, least. Okay, so in this video we have learned adjectives, their degree of comparison. Okay, and we have learned their 7 rule. So I hope this video make you feel that I give you some good knowledge about the adjective degree of comparison. Till then, like, share and subscribe, support my channel, and if you have any suggestion, please let me know. Thank you.